This is the Aquaphor Lip Repair. I was struggling with a crazy amount of dehydration while it was cold outside, and my lips got super dry. They started cracking, they started bleeding, and this stuff helped tremendously. I got this as a 2-pack, and I'll say within a minute of using this, my lips were no longer cracking, they were no longer bleeding from the cracks, and any of the dryness that was on my lips disappeared. So really quick, opening it up. If I open it up here, it's got an angle. So when you're applying it to your lip, it's really easy to go straight on and apply it to your lip and then your bottom lip here. And then you squeeze just a little bit and some of the material comes out when you do. There's a little pin. I don't know if you can see that right there. It's a little pin in here. And that way, when you're done using it, you can close this guy up and it doesn't have the ointment inside of it bleed all over. This stuff worked amazingly well for me. I highly recommend it. I'm definitely going to have one of these in my pocket at all times during winter. For dry lips, this thing really does work. Again, my lips were bleeding and cracked, and this fixed them right up. So if you're in the market for something to really repair your lips, this works amazingly well. I highly recommend it.